YouTube, Male Cat Lady here again. Today I'm doing a unboxing and in the future not really a formal review, but my typical review of the PowerSpec 1710 17.3 inch gaming laptop. Purchased this from Microcenter today for $12.99. Really good deal, marked down from $17.99, so $500 off. Hell of a deal. This will be my first gaming laptop I've owned in a long time, since the one I showed you in my part 1 of the laptop rescue from the pawn shop. So, do a little unboxing. This is a brand new, non-refurb, non-open box, brand spanking new. Pretty excited about this, actually. Looks like we got kind of a box within a box situation. Oh yeah. Caution, batteries may explode. Yeah, batteries explode. It happens. It happens. But, you know, what do you do? Okay, so open that one, flap, fold out. So this isn't, I've owned like Alienware stuff before, and so far the packaging on this one is less enthusiastic to unbox compared to an Alienware. As you can see, it's just kind of in there. The Alienwares, they come in like a nice box. It unfolds. It is padded. It's lined with felt, kind of thing. You know, it's kind of a nice, fun experience. But I suppose that's kind of what you get when you want to save a buck. All right. So there's the computer. Holy silica. That was a lot. Alright. Well, the next thing is next. Pull this out. Box number 2. Stuff her in there. Alright. Accessories. Well, not so much accessories as necessities, I guess. Power cord. Big power brick. I wonder, this actually looks really similar to the power brick that I was doing in my Asus thing. It's very similar. I think the Asus thing used this too. The one I replaced it with used a different one. This is actually even more amperage, a whole like 2.3 amps. A whole like 2.3 amps more than that Asus brick. Wow. But then again, I suppose. So she's empty. Sweet. Okay. Well, boy, not a lot of frills so far with this. No manuals. Well, maybe. Wait, hold on. I spoke too soon. Manuals. Basic AF. Alright, so I'm starting to see they don't skimp on a couple little screws. That's interesting. I'll throw that back in the box. I doubt I'll need it. This almost seems like a what do you call that stuff? I can't think. Thermal tape. So, you got an owner's manual, you got some thermal tape or something, I guess. That seems kind of goofy to me, but I don't know if that's actually what it is. I'll have to read the manual and find out. But yeah, so you don't get a lot of frills with this price range. Anyway, tongue's blue. Went to Sonic tonight for dinner. Got delicious ocean blast beverage, ocean water, delicious, very good. Alright. So, it's got a nice red theme going on here, which I guess I didn't really think about ahead of time. I might have to do something about that because I don't enjoy the color red in any sense of anything. So, alright, so I guess here's the bottom of it. As you can see, a redonkulous amount of red on the bottom. So a supposed subwoofer, little rubber feet that protrude, not very much, so it keeps it slim. Laptop itself, pretty slim. Cold, might be very, very thin aluminum bottom. It feels too cold to be plastic, so I'm guessing it's probably some sort of aluminum. Screen protector. Do like that, I guess. Too much reflection. So, there's the screen protector. I guess that might be the only kind of negative to it, I guess, so far, is if you're like me and you don't like the color red. Well, thankfully it's on the back side and you don't get to see it, and you get a nice RGB keyboard and stuff, so you can kind of do whatever. But other than that, the lid feels like plastic. You got the logo upside down. Nothing fancy. This is definitely not no frills. Dang, this thing's actually way thin. It's really thin. It's pretty light too, surprisingly. It doesn't even feel like a 17-inch laptop. I've never actually owned a 17-inch laptop other than a pawn shop one. So this is kind of new to me. Full keyboard, numpad, arrow keys. Oh, what else do we have on this thing? We have power, HDMI, 2 mini display ports, USB-C, very awesome, 2 USB 3.0s. On the other side we have headphones, microphone, squiggly line, SD card reader, which is really nice for mobile video editing and stuff like that, like I plan to do. A retractable doohickey, 2 more USB 3.0s, your lock thing, and so much red. Alright, so here we go. First boot. As you can see, the keyboard is RGB, and it's in kind of a nice rainbow effect right now, kind of cycling through some different colors. So this thing comes with a full GTX NVIDIA 1070, which is really impressive. That's in my wall mount build, so this will be very exciting to use. A lot of power there, similar to the 980 Ti, except newer, that I'm selling. A 77HQ CPU. That'll be fun. This thing is going to be kind of I think is going to be quite the beast of a computer to use for gaming, video editing on the road, and other kind of projects that I have to do. The ability to do VR as well is probably going to be very, very awesome. A 1080p 75 Hz monitor with G-Sync, overclockable to 100 Hz, which is beyond impressive, as I'm used to the 100 Hz now. Honestly, I'm really excited to use this thing. I think it's going to be a really good laptop, especially for the price point. I cannot believe that finally someone's making a laptop with this many features and this much performance for this price. No one else even comes close. There are laptops with 1060s in them, and the same.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Oh, she's here to help.
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there,
Oh.
and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Cool.
You can use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the sound icon.
Which I'm gonna have to
If
do.
you need an assistive screen reader, press the
I
Windows,
don't.
Control,
I
and Enter keys at the same time to enable narrator.
Okay, she's silenced by Cortana. I've never actually used Cortana in my life, so that's hilarious. So yeah, this is a great price point again for a gaming laptop, a workstation that's mobile. It's incredible. If you could find a 1060 with the same processor for $100 more than this one, same size and everything. So to find something with this much power for $100 cheaper, oh, it's incredible. NVMe drive in here and a regular hard drive. My goodness, say no more. I think that's it for now in this video. Check back later as I do some more game testing and video editing testing with it, and just kind of random benchmarking for stuff that I use and maybe stuff that you use. Thanks for watching.